Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about processor control instruction of 8086 microprocessor. So this is an instruction are used to control the processor action by setting, resetting the flag values. So here 8086 microprocessor, for controlling the processor are instruction used like STC. This is used for to set carry flag CF to 1. Set carry flag CF to 1. Clear? And next one is CLC. Used to clear or reset carry flag CF to 0. Clear or carry flag or reset carry flag CF to 0. Okay, mind it. So next one is CMC. This instruction is used to put complement at the state of the carry flag CF. Okay. And next one is STD. STD always used to set the direction flag DF to 1. This DF means direction flag. Okay. And next one is CLD. CLD. This instruction set mainly used to clear or reset the direction flag DF to 0. Clear or reset direction flag DF to 0. This one is direction flag to 1. This one is direction flag to 0. Mind it, CLD means. And next one is STI. Okay, used to set the interrupt enable flag to 1. Okay, and enable inter input. This written as INTR input. Okay, and next one is CLI. This mainly used to clear the interrupt enable flag to 0. This enable flag to 1 and this enable flag to 0. Okay, and disable inter input. Okay, this inter input here enable, but here is disable. CLI in disable the inter input. Okay, so thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial and subscribe my channel.